Hi guys, since the same parts and the same working principles are used in all brand and model devices, the failures and solutions of all of them are the same. In this video I will show you the first step simple repair of noisy devices. Yes, friends, now you can hear the noisy working sound of our machine. If the paper lift tray usually gets stuck or a piece gets under it that prevents it from snapping into place, we will hear this noisy gear noise and together we will fix this malfunction. It will take a few tries. I think scissors are not the appropriate tool to remove this piece, but if we do not have the material, we can experiment with a few household items in the home environment. You can write your problems about all other devices you want to get information from in the comments. Our expert staff is waiting for you to answer your questions. Since the working principles of all devices are the same. If you write your problems and questions about all electronic devices in the comments, I am waiting to answer your problem immediately. Unfortunately, many repairmen do not share this information with you. Since our videos are step-by-step troubleshooting videos, I will add my other step-by-step method videos to the explanation and to the end of the video. You should also apply them. By following the steps I did in my video, we can fix your faulty device in a short time and solve your problems by going step by step. Again, we will repair a device without the cost of parts. The fault solution is almost the same in devices with this and the same working principle. It is useful to follow the same methods. I recommend you to subscribe and browse our other useful videos. I would be very happy if you recommend my channel to your friends. We will repair this fault free of charge without the cost of parts. How? Let's watch together. We can simply clear the fault by cleaning this area well. You should also see the positive comments in our other videos. In all of our repair processes, we repaired our device very easily and cost-free, and you can fix your faults by following the steps I have done. Friends who did not get results from this video, I will add the second stage video link to the explanations section. If you apply our second stage video, it will repair your device with a 30% probability. If this is not the solution, I am waiting for your brand and model information in the comments for my other step suggestions. Our expert team will answer your questions in a few minutes. I am waiting for all your questions in the next repair process. I will answer you quickly and offer you the most suitable repair cost. Other foreign matter may hinder the movement of this tray, but this moving spring feature, which is probably part of the toner scene, can break and fall into the printer. And the result is a very happy development. You should definitely try it. We got very good feedback in our previous videos. Write your result in the comments and we will reply. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. I would be very happy if you would send my video to your friend who you want to be informed about. Good day, see you.